Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to connect wireless Rode mic Me to your GoPro, no matter which type of GoPro you have. Currently, I have in GoPro Hero Black 11 model. So in this video, we will see how to connect this Rode mic to the GoPro and record the voice. It's very simple how to connect. This one is a receiver, one is a transmitter, and they are providing C2C cable. So you just simply put it here, the receiver, the C cable, and after that you just simply open here in the GoPro. So here the charging socket is available. You can use the same charging socket to protect the receiver mic jack. It's easy. Now I just simply on this one. Even I already on this device, receiver and transmitter, and both are connected each other. So I just simply click on this device. So look at this, GoPro is on. Now I just simply record myself. So look at this is a voice quality of GoPro Hero 11 using the Rode mic. I connected this mic on my GoPro Hero 11, and after that you receive this voice. You can very easily put this mic like this and record the video during the traveling and your favorite vlog. Using the GoPro, you can very easily connect this device in GoPro. No need to connect any other extension. You can very easily connect and set properly as you decide, and after that you can very easily record quality content and quality content video using these tips and tricks. One more important point, I just simply switch off. If you want how to fix this one, you can very easily fix this one like this. So no need to carry this one. Both are fixed simultaneously and record the video content. This is a simple process to connect Rode Wireless Me to your GoPro, no matter which types of GoPro model you have. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.